Resolution extending the city's intent in establishing a sister agreement between the provincial government of La Union and the City of San Juan, Metro Manila.
Welcome po, and we are looking forward to a better relationship with the City of San Juan. Mabuhay po ang San Juan!
Ang dami ko pong nakikitang pwede natin gawin together. And something that San Juan can offer po, which I offer usually to cities and provinces which we forge sisterhoods with, ay yung may tulungan namin kayo, may benta po yung mga produkto ninyo dito sa La Union, sa lungsod ng San Juan. So we will be establishing what we call a pasalubong center dito po sa Green Hills Mall.
In by heart and by mind, I think we all agree that it is always a plus factor to have a sisterhood to somebody that we can ask for help, we can share good practices of both LGUs concerned, and looking forward to be a partner in the development of San Juan, both of San Juan's, San Fernando, and the province of La Union.
Kung meron man kaming mga sa tingin namin nagagawa namin na maganda, nais namin ibahagi po yan sa ating mga kapatid ng mga local government units. At alam ko po na napakarami na namin matututunan po sa inyo. I've always been captivated with the province of La Union. Kaya nagtataka ba kayo bakit nandito tayo? Kasi minsan na ako nakapunta rito at sabi ko gusto kong makita ninyo lahat kung gaano kaganda ang lalawigan ng La Union. Now therefore be it resolved, as it is hereby resolved, by the Sangguniang Panlungsod of the City of San Juan, Metro Manila, by virtue of the powers vested in it by law in a session duly assembled, establish a sisterhood relationship with the province of La Union through a sisterhood agreement covering the intentions for the benefit of the respective constituents.